Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? I hope everything is fine. I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Mufradi. I am 18 years old and I am a student at Bumi Sejahtera Vocational High School. Today, I would like to present how to become the best student in the COVID-19 pandemic. There are 6 points how to become the best student in the COVID-19 pandemic, and I will explain the point one by one. Okay, first, motivation and learning support. Even though learning through networks, we as students must have the motivation to stay enthusiastic about learning and not feel bored. This motivation can come from yourself, family, friends, or the environment around you. When many students complain about the current state of the pandemic, it should be used as motivation that we can study well in the COVID-19 situation. Second, a safe and comfortable place to study. A safe and comfortable place will support learning well because it can make us more focused and calm in learning. What is a safe and comfortable place like? For example, a place where there is no crowd or noise, so we can be calm while studying. A place that supports internet connection, so when we are studying, we will not get the problems. Third, time management. Every student who manage their time with correctly, of course, will not be burned with assignments from the teachers given during COVID-19 pandemic, because every assignment does even have time for submit. For example, when the teacher gives something is tomorrow, surely we don't need to be too hasty in doing it. We can still divide our time to study or do assignments with the right time. Okay? Fourth, learning tools. Learning tools needed in online learning. We need some tools for support such as a computer, laptop, or smartphones, and the most important thing is a good internet connection. What about students who don't have facilities such as a computer or smartphones? Of course, don't worry, because the school will definitely provide assistance. We can study on our relatives or friends. We can also give our assignments by coming directly to school. And fifth, active communicating with teachers and study partners. Although learning by distance, we must be active in communicating because communication is very important to know information and add insight in learning. And don't be shy to ask because there are definitely many things that are not understood in online learning. Therefore, it's better if we ask what lessons are not understood. By asking, the lessons will be easier to understood. And the last is stay healthy. This is very important in carry out the learning process. Even though there are many tests that should be complete, still take the time to rest, consume the healthy food in order to stay fit and healthy. Well, that's all I can say about how to become the best student in COVID-19 pandemic. Hopefully, it will be useful. I read an article that learning is a choice. If you choose to study with pleasure, then life will be happy. But if you choose to study with difficulty, then life will be difficult. Okay? Thank you for your attention. Don't forget always washing your hands, keep physical distancing, and always wearing a mask. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.